who we are. Premium solution provider of one-stop stainless steel commercial faucets with 10+ years. Founded in 2003, formerly by Link Factory, we are an innovative enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, and sales. With proprietary core technologies, we have led the industry for years and become the top R&D-driven manufacturer in the stainless steel commercial faucet sector. Our core products, stainless steel pre-rinsed faucets, sensor faucets, and all-in-one commercial sparkling water dispensers, serve kitchens, public drinking areas, and bar counters. Pioneer of the stainless steel revolution in the industry, brass once dominated the commercial faucet industry. However, growing environmental and health concerns have led to global restrictions on leaded brass and electroplating, driving a stainless steel revolution in the industry. Sensing this shift in 2013, Bestware firmly believed stainless steel, being lead-free and highly durable, would replace brass. In 2015, we became the world's first to achieve mass production of all stainless steel commercial faucets. This forward-looking decision met market demands and drove industry-wide innovation and sustainability. Pursuer of ultimate user experience and exceptional product quality. With over a decade of experience in stainless steel commercial faucets, Bestware understands that every product embodies our customers' expectations. Therefore, we stay customer-focused and develop product selling points based on industry pain points. From product design and R&D to production details, including 3D modeling, simulation analysis, mold manufacturing, CNC processing, welding and polishing, assembly, and inspection. We strictly control every step to ensure ergonomic, high-quality products. Implementor of sustainable development. Bestware specializes in stainless steel, lead-free, eco-friendly, recyclable, and long-lasting. Unlike brass, it requires no electroplating, greatly reducing pollution. Committed to sustainability and health, we improve efficiency and quality through advanced manufacturing, minimizing energy use and waste. This approach provides customers with a safe, durable, and eco-conscious choice with long-term benefits. A young and innovative team full of vitality. Through a newer name in the global market, Bestware is a dynamic, pioneering brand fueled by a passion for innovation. We are committed to advancing the commercial faucet industry by replacing brass with stainless steel. This spirit drives us through continuous experimentation and breakthroughs, overcoming one technical challenge after another. Bestware is more than a brand, it's a mindset. With relentless effort and innovation, we are confident in our ability to keep moving the industry forward. Dedicated and agile startup enterprise. We are not a traditional large corporation and don't aim to be all-encompassing. Instead, we focus on the cutting-edge niche of the stainless steel industry, uphold a spirit of craftsmanship, and concentrate our limited resources on building core competencies. This enables us to stay technologically ahead despite our size. With a flat management structure, we stay agile, efficient, and highly responsive to market trends, customer needs, and emerging technologies, allowing us to quickly launch new products and tailored solutions. No matter how far we grow, we stay grounded with an entrepreneurial mindset, committed to our original vision and relentless in our pursuit of excellence. Looking ahead, Bestware will continue to embrace innovation, stay attuned to market needs, and refine our products and services. We are dedicated to delivering high-quality, healthy, and eco-friendly products, along with personalized, custom solutions. We look forward to building a brighter future together with you.